Welcome to this video on loading Legend Ladder Heatshrink labels. Open the printer, then open the ribbon carriage by pressing the catch shown by the yellow arrow. Move the media guide and the upper sensor all the way to the right. Now, using your index finger and thumb, move the lower sensor about 2 centimeters away from the edge of the upper sensor. Lift the upper sensor arm. Then, with the box carrying the blank ladder sitting behind the printer, feed the blank ladder through to the front of the printer. When the left side of the roll is in line with the arrow marked here with a yellow box, gently lower the upper sensor arm. Now, using the thumb and index finger, move the media guide to secure the labels in place. Carefully slide the upper sensor so that when viewed from exactly above, its white arrow aligns with the white marking on the lower sensor. Before printing, ensure the ribbon carriage dials are correct. These carriage dial settings are set out in the printer dialog box. With the ribbon carriage open, gently turn the dials to the appropriate settings, then close the ribbon carriage. Please note that if you're using 60mm wide ribbon, the ribbon should be moved until it aligns with the labels. Then you can close the ribbon carriage and start printing the labels. This setup demonstration has shown a 110mm wide ribbon. This ribbon width can be used for all our thermal labels. But depending on the label type being printed, we also offer narrower width ribbons. You'll also see suggestions in your printer dialog box on which ribbon widths you can use with the label that you're printing. Have a look at the Fox in a Box printer setup video or the dedicated ribbon setup video to see how to load the 3 ribbon widths. Remember that when you leave the printer overnight or for long periods and labels or rolls are loaded in it, you should keep the ribbon carriage open. When moving the printer, ensure the spindles together with the ribbon are removed from the ribbon carriage. You can store these in the well behind the ribbon carriage. Fox in a Box can print all Silver Fox's thermal labels for a wide range of applications using one software, one printer and one ribbon.
At the end of each print run, your labels will automatically feed out of the printer. The next time you print, the blank labels automatically roll back into the printer. The advanced and professional versions of the software include this unique rollback functionality, saving you money on labels and helping to reduce waste in the environment.
The software that drives the Fox in a Box is called Labicus Innovator. With that, you can print all our laser labels on a laser printer. Other popular options include printing our Legend non-shrink tubing via our Fox in a Box printer, then using a mounting bar to produce tie-on cable labels. Or, using a laser printer, you can print our ProLab polyester A4 self-adhesive sheets to label equipment and cabinets. If you need any further help or information, please contact the Silver Fox support team. We now offer support via WhatsApp, where you can send photos, screen dumps, and even videos. We also offer TeamViewer, so we can show you on your PC how to work best with your software. Thank you for choosing Silver Fox.